Yeah, the word is speaking to a gentleman back down there. He's walking up there now. They're replacing all the groynes, and the cost is £9 million. Good golly, gosh, that's a lot of money. And specifically the groynes, the posts or such are in the sand. They're all going to be removed. So that's what they're doing. They're not digging for the Waller soles. And they're going to put in new groynes, wood, that the gentleman said to me that it has to come from Africa. That's specific type of wood that's been also treated, so it will mean they'll last quite a while. I'm not sure what a while is, 9 million, good golly gosh, that's a lot of money. But he said that all down at the other end, up to last year was done, but I didn't notice anything because I've been down that end this year and I've not noticed anything. So I think he was saying about the groyne wood there that's laying down there. That's going to go in the. But I don't think that's the wood. I'm not sure the wood costs 9 million or whatever. I mean, there's another one down here. There's another one. This looks totally new. So yeah, that's the length of it. That's got to go into the sand. So they got to put them down at a certain depth in the sand. It's got to be about, oh gosh, I'm guessing it's probably about 20. I'm guessing maybe about 40 foot. Maybe 45, maybe 45 foot long, because I'm thinking about my CB aerial and I know how long that is. It looks almost about twice the length of my CB aerial. Yeah, it looks about 40 to about 45 foot. Not sure what they do with the other wood here. You're right there, Bear. Bit of a, I lost a little bit of lost control on that, didn't I? Because of the weight on the. I guess the whole project along here, because yeah. Some more of these posts. More of these. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's got to be just probably maybe over 20 of these. Oh gosh golly, and there's some more down there. I'm not sure if that's the wood I can smell. Alright, just going to start this up so it's going to get loud. And more posts there. Blimey. Got an inspector guy over there. Obviously walking up and down and waiting. Probably check measurements and alignment. There's more of them here. But no more further down, so they probably do a section. They probably do a certain section amount each time, and then move on down to the keep on moving down. So they'll probably finish this probably by, if I'm guessing they're going to all go on the way down to Hensbury Head. Maybe they're only doing maybe this part here, up here. Otherwise, down to Hensbury Head, they'll probably be doing that up to probably January or February next year. Oh wow, look here. Look at that. What's that there? Is that a microphone? It's some sort of connected to a, you think it looks like some sort of microphone. Something maybe for checking for the, I don't know, infrasonics, or I don't know. I'll have to ask someone, see if they know, because it looks like some sort of microphone, because you can see a fluffy thing around it, which kind of looks like, you know, a wind filter to keep wind off the microphone or such. That's what it looks like, because it's not a camera. Or maybe it's a radar, or maybe it's some sort of communication Wi-Fi, or maybe it's something infrared or communicating thing here, and it communicates with this device down there, which checks for the alignment, because I've got a similar one at home, only that one's a little different, but they're more or less the same to check measurement, alignment. It's, you know, for, you know, if you're out of alignment, they just check for, you know, precise alignments. Oh look, here comes the digger. So this is probably where they're going to put another groin section in. And yeah, little flags going down. Just look at that drill. Wow. So they're not digging for the Weller cells, they're drilling for the Weller cells. Oh look, they found it. Ah, but the map room's over there. Oh yeah, I can see that dozer right down at the end. It's partly in the water, the dozer. Yeah, Hitachi's. They make VHS video recorders. Ah. Wow. So bringing that groin, let's pause the video for a sec. Okay. So this machine, this digger here has got it's doing something there. It's got something attached on it specific for this type of civil engineering. Oh look, there's a fella here.